Okay, we started our first stop on our newest journey with our new truck. We sold everything, so this is all we are today. It's just our truck and our trailer. So we're here at Noster State Park. We're going to visit with Cindy, Gene's daughter, and they live here close by. Hang out here a week, but this is a pretty nice park. Oh, sorry for the noise behind me. Tree trimmers are trimming trees and stuff. I'm going to try to steady this a little bit. And really like the truck. It pulled the camper like it wasn't there. There's Gene already kicking back at the new place. She's starting retirement early. And then the grandkids step stones to our place. We carry these concrete things around. And then our little puppies all chilling out too because they just ate and pooped. And Gene's new flag. Yay. Nice one. We'll have to get the bikes out here. I'll have to get yours fixed up. There's them noisemakers over there. Hey, they got us a bunch of firewood. They're trimming trees, so we took some firewood, cut it up. We're going to have some fires here. So we're out in the middle of nowhere. We'll be checking back.